Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, May 13th, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day. And the Euro US dollar came in number one today, so we're going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top-down analysis from this morning on the Euro dollar, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So we did have a pretty good push up initially. Now it is coming back down with this higher low right here. I think it's pretty clear this is probably a 1, 2, 3, and it never did take out these highs over here. Definitely hasn't hit that yet. So I do have my Fibonacci retracement on this last push up right here. I think if anything, this is probably a wave 4. I would definitely be keeping an eye on these last few fib levels. Maybe the 50 to 61.8. I would be looking for a fib bounce and at least one more push up. It looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and I think it needs to sweep these highs over here. We have a lot of news this week. We have a Powell speech tomorrow, and we have CPI for the dollar on Wednesday, so it's going to be very interesting to see how these pairs actually play out this week. Should be lots of volatility, should be lots of opportunities to make money in the market. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to all my daily live trading sessions. And it gives you access to all my swing trade setups that I share with the group at the time of entry by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.